want to share real life experiences and feelings, because I feel like sometimes we only see the magic behind it and all the amazing things and all the amazing experiences, but we don't really see that much of all the struggles that take you there and that are worth it, in my opinion. But it's not always easy. It's never all rainbows and sunshines, and that's fine. And I just want to show a little bit of the reality behind it. And there's things that are great and then things that are not. So yeah, this might not be the most exciting vlog ever, but this is how my life looks like right now.
See the things I'm filming. I like the little sparkles in the water.
Sí, aquí mejor hacerlo plata cuando te compre más. Pero vos antes te veías así.
¡Oli! Ahí mira. Y a ver ahora prueba panorámica. No nos deforme la cara, porque este hijo de puta. No, solo que me da paz. Bueno, hoy se habla en español, nada de hablar en inglesidades. Hoy es domingo y estamos haciendo un brunch de puta madre, como siempre.
¿Cómo se llama?
O sea, si hay algo que hacemos bien nosotras dos,
Comer.
es cocinar y comer. Ay, no te cierres. Son las 2:38
¿Qué almuerzo?
y es nuestro horario de domingo de almuerzo. ¿Qué?
¡Vamos!
Ay, mira, mostrar nuestra bebé. Está al lado tuyo. Corazón.
¿Dónde está?
Baby rescatada. La rescaté del metro. Vamos a ver si sobrevive.
En rehabilitación.
Está en rehab. Foto familiar. Casi. Bueno, mira. Buen día. ¿Qué le pasó a mi voz?
Good morning.
Good morning, sunshine. Buen día. We are ready. Good morning, my lovely people, and welcome to probably a very chaotic vlog. I'm heading out now to the park with my friends to just have some breakfast, lunch, and just enjoy outside, and we'll see where the day takes us, because there's so many things I need to do today.
Hi, I'm Bob and you're watching Disney
Spotted Emilia, a wild truth.
Y
Pero la saqué de Instagram.
¿cómo se dice sésamo? Acá en el
Sesame seeds.
Sesame. Será yo esto, por favor, quiero que quede grabado.
Claro.
Este momento en mi corazón. Es muy delicioso.
Another day, another very sleepy face.
Prueba número. Vamos.
Delicia. No me voy a quemar.
So I've been doing these videos because I've been creating content mostly of like travel and travel lifestyle and being like a full-time nomad. And now that I'm stopping, it feels so strange to actually start having more of a normal life. And I do want to speak more about moving abroad because I feel like it's something that we idealize a lot and that we always think about this magic world of moving out and that it's going to be amazing, that we're going to meet a lot of people. And that is true and it is beautiful and I love it and I've been enjoying it so much. But it's also quite like lonely and sometimes it can be very hard at start. So personally, I've been feeling quite demotivated to create content because I used to have so much to put out there now and now my life is a little bit more normal. So making these vlogs, it's so important to just commit to still make content and know that our lives are not going to look like a movie all the time, and that is of course okay. So yeah, this is how life in Barcelona looks like right now, and yeah, it might be less exciting than traveling around all the time and exploring new places, but I actually love it and it's so nice, and it's so nice to have my space, my home, my friends, and just be in a place that you like. I hope you're enjoying this type of vlogs, and if there's anything specific about Barcelona or moving abroad or life in Spain that you would like to know, or traveling as a lifestyle from before and going from traveling to actually deciding to stay in a place and choose a place to live, then just let me know. I'm an open book and I just want to share real life experiences and feelings because I feel like sometimes we only see the magic behind it and all the amazing things and all the amazing experiences, but we don't really see that much of all the struggles that take you there and that are worth it, in my opinion. But it's not always easy, it's never all rainbows and sunshines, and that's fine, and I just want to show a little bit of the reality behind it, and there's things that are great and the things that are not. So that's all for now.